How to fix the another app is using the camera already. First, check your camera access history. Press Windows I to open the Settings app. In the left pane, open the Privacy or Security tab. Click on the camera option to view more options. Click on Recent Activity to view a full list of apps that have accessed your camera in the past 7 days. Next, right-click on the app and select Exit, Quit, or Close. Right-click on Start and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, open the Process tab. Click on End Task to close the app and release the camera access. Now, open the Settings app and click on Privacy or Security. Scroll down and click on Camera. Expand the Let Apps Access Your Camera option. Next, locate the app and toggle the switch to restrict the app from accessing your webcam. Second, restart the camera service, CamsVC. Press Windows R to open Run. Type services.msc and click OK in the service snap-in. Locate the Capabilities Access Manager service. Next, right-click on the Capabilities Access Manager service and select Restart. Third, install Windows and System Updates. Click on Start and select Settings. Scroll down and open the Windows Update tab. Next, click on Check for Updates. Windows will scan for new updates and list them accordingly. If not, click on Advanced Options. Next, open Optional Updates. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.